Anyway, it's about 2:30 and we need to do a little dinner prep. So...
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
Anyway, so arancini, it's like a ball made of cooked rice, and then there's stuff on the inside, and then it's rolled in breadcrumbs and deep fried. So we're gonna try and Pieironify it. So I'm starting with some, I'm not gonna make risotto over here forever. I got some already made risotto here, and apparently you microwave it for 90 seconds. Add water, microwave 90 seconds. Let me get the microwave. So we're gonna do it non-microwave. How much water do you add? Gently squeeze to separate the grains. And we're gonna add a third cup of water. I'm gonna eyeball it. So actually, while I'm massaging my rice, I'm gonna get the water started. So we need to power, and power. Whew. It looks like that. Parboiled rice with some parm and stuff. That was pretty quick. Took it down about 7%. I think that was a third of the cup. Need a little more. That looks good. And I'm just gonna seal it up and wait. Just macerate. I said macerate. It is now 4:30, so it's been 2 hours of soaking here in the bag. I realized I forgot the saffron. I actually brought saffron from our garden. They come from saffron crocuses, and we get a few little strands. I mean, literally 12 cents worth of strands in there. And traditionally arancini has saffron rice in it because I guess that's the name. Arancini is like an orange, so it makes orange rice. But next time. All right, let's look at our rice. Ooh. Oh yeah, it looks done and kind of gluey, which I think is actually what we're looking for. So we need to add, I don't think you have to, but just to hedge my bets, I'm gonna add some egg to get it to really form together. This is 2 eggs. I need 1 for breakfast tomorrow, so I'm gonna use just some of this. Ooh, boy, this is gonna be hard to mix in this little bag. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, maybe a little more. Ooh, okay, that's enough. Need egg for chaffles. All right, we need this. Open all my things. We're filling, there's all kinds of fillings you can do. I'm doing ham and peas, but I mean, you could do like meat sauce. You can just do some ricotta and pistachios. The sky's the limit. How do you open this damn thing? Like that. Now what? Jesus Christ, John Morrell. Why do you hate accessibility? Lord. I mean, wow. Wow. This is a packaging fail. Oh, it's sealed below the Ziploc. That's some craftsmanship. I don't know, maybe half of this? I don't know, I've never done this before. Oh, oh, maybe I should have put down some protection. Like an Italian restaurant. I had an idea of doing this all as one ball, like a real arancini, but I'm having second thoughts. I kind of feel like it should be 2 patties. Look, this is our breadcrumbs. It's, I used breadcrumbs, Italian seasoning, and a little panko. I'm just gonna do breadcrumbs. That seems like a lot. Oh well. Okay. Do our handful of, just a handful of risotto. Maybe I should have used a spoon. Oh, okay. And I'm gonna mash it in there. Yes, I like this idea better. I'm just gonna do like a divot in the middle. And let's start with cheese. And we'll add some peas. Give peas a chance. Ham. Itemize to the edges, just like my manager at Domino's used to say. Between the sexual harassment incidents. More cheese. Okay. This is definitely too much liquid. I'm also not sure it cooked all the way. Those are some chunks. There's some chunky boys in here. I think I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take the nugs out. Entomb it. I'm gonna entomb it. Okay. That looks pretty good. There we go. Breadcrumbs. Seal in the goodness. Let's hope this works. I think we might be done. Not bad. All right. Good. All right. Oh yeah. Center it up a little bit. Looks like a square arancini. There you have it, folks. The peas and the ham and the cheese and everything in there. It's arancini, basically. It's holding together surprisingly well. The risotto is cooked. Cheese is melty. One thing I realized I was going to do and I didn't do was to do an egg dredge on the outside before the breadcrumbs. That would help them stick a lot better. Very good though. I'm going to take the rest of this back to the fire where it's warm.